Hi guys, today we are in Milimani estate, Kitengela. This estate is 2.5 kilometers from Kitengela town. Behind me is a 3-bedroom all-en-suite bungalow. This bungalow is 1,679 square feet, which translates to 156 square meters. Welcome to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Before we start the tour, I would like to show you the parking of this bungalow. Over here, you have a parking that can fit around 3 to 4 cars. Over here, you have another parking that can fit 1 car, and outside this gate, you have the pathway where you can also park your cars. If you have more than 3 or 4 cars, at least you are safe in this estate. In addition to that, you have 2 gardens in this bungalow. You have a garden over here that you can use to plant maybe your vegetables, and then you have another garden on the other side of the house. Before you get to the main house, you have this foyer over here that you can use for storage just before you get things inside the house. This is the main door of this bungalow. Let's see what is inside. Wow, this is a big living room. One thing that interests me in this living room is that you have this painting over here that looks golden or maybe yellow. I'm not very sure, but it's something beautiful. It gives this house a unique look. The best thing about this bungalow is that you have 3 windows in the living room, and they bring a lot of light. The living room is also separated from the dining room over here, where you can be served with the meals. This dining room over here is designed to fit a family of 6 to a family of 8. So if you have a big family and you are looking for somewhere that you can settle, I think this house will be enough for everything that you need. The dining room is also strategically positioned just adjacent to the kitchen to make sure that there is an ease when you are bringing food to the dining table. You also have a sink over here just to wash your hands before you start your meal. This is the kitchen of this bungalow, and it's quite big, and then there is a lot of storage over here. The number of downwards cabinets and upward cabinets is more than 20. So if you have so many utensils and so many crockery, this is the place for you. I'm very sure this space is more than enough for your storage. The kitchen is also equipped with this granite countertop that you can use for your kitchen chores. This door over here leads to the kitchen garden. Let's go to the bedrooms and see what they have. This is the common toilet of this bungalow. Just ahead on this hallway, you have the 3 bedrooms. Over here you have the first bedroom, over here you have the second bedroom, and straight ahead you have the master bedroom. Let's start with this bedroom and see what is inside. It's quite a wide and a large bedroom. You have your closet over here, which is floor to ceiling with numerous number of closets, sections. It's something that is enough for your clothing. And then you have your loo over here. In this toilet, you have your sink over here and you have your closet over there. And then you have your shower just behind me. Let's head to the second bedroom. Suppose you have more than 2 kids. You can allocate this bedroom to your boys and the other bedroom that we just left for your girls. If you have maybe 1 kid, then you can use this bedroom for your guests and the other one for your kids. This is the room of this bedroom, and you also have your floor to ceiling closet in this bedroom. It's quite good. Let's head to the master where the magic happens. This is the master bedroom of this bungalow, and as you can see, it's quite wide. If you start over there, you can see that I can walk in the master bedroom and it's quite wide. The room of this master bedroom is over here. And you have your sink inside here, and then you have your closet over here. Then you have a space on that end that can be used for your bathtub. That's all about this house. If you'd like to buy this house, the price is 7.5 million. And actually the reason why you should buy this house is that this house is built on a 50 by 100 parcel of land and the titles are ready. That's all for today. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe.